Here's the living room, very big, very high ceilings. Cute little closet over here. Fireplace. Max is ready to go. Hey, hey, hey! Dining room with our lovely china cabinet. That's the door I came in. Again, big ceilings. On stuff. Another beautiful window.